Welcome back to the class 2 of our product animation. We are now coming to master it. We are now coming to level it to make it standard. So if you are now watching, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if this one is your first video, I will advise you to check in my page. I have the class 1 video there. This one we just got in the middle. We are just trying to master what we started. So this is not the first video. The first video is there how to start. So let's continue. So here I'm trying to get a 3D of the logo. I'm trying to get a 3D of the brand logo. And in After Effects, before you can turn a shape to 3D, you have to make it After Effects shape layer. Yes. So you can see I'm using my pen tool to draw the shape because I want to get it a shape layer before we can turn it into 3D. So if you are watching or if you are also following, make sure you pick your pen tool, you draw around your shape, and just watch what I'm doing and also practice. So as you can see, I'm done drawing my shape layer. So I want to get the same color of the old one, so let me bring it here, the old one. So let me bring it here, then select it, pick this selection tool, select. You see, I got it. So I'll hide it. So right now let's turn this thing to 3D. Like I first said, you click your 3D box here. Yes, you see, anytime you click this 3D, check, this thing appears. Yes, that's our I forget the name. Is it Gizmo or something like Gizmo? Yes. So let's bring it down a little bit. So let's come here. Make sure this one is on advanced 3D. Yes, this thing. Make sure it's on advanced 3D. That's where we can turn this thing to 3D. So you open your shape layer, you come to geometric options, then extrude depth. We extrude it to 11. Let's see. You see, we got a 3D. Extrude. I think this is okay. You see it? Yes. You see, we got a 3D. So if this one is not a shape layer, you won't get a 3D unless you do it a shape layer. Yes. So you see, we have it in 3D. Let's open it small to get this. I think this is okay. So let's press R and then put this thing to 0, 0 to the normal space again. Okay, so we have our DD name, the DD logo. I'm done. So this is a smart way of me getting the logo. Yes, here you see, you get it. Did you get it? Yes, this is the smart way of me getting my logo. DD. Let me open it like this small. Yes, this is a smart way of me getting my logo. You get? Yes. So here you create a null object like this. You check that one to 3D. Yes. So I'm going to pair these two, the shape layer and the DD text, to the null object so that I can rotate them once. Listen again. I said I'm going to pair this shape layer and then the DD logo text to the null object. So this is how we pair it. You hold this, you pair it to the null, you hold this, you pair it to the null. So right now you can see if I'm rotating, right now if I'm rotating the null object, I'm rotating the logo and this one, so it's look like a 3D form, but you see there is some scratches. That means this one is too much close to that means the text is too much close to the this one shape. So this is where you open your two view, to get a two view. Yes. Then let me see. R. Put this one to 0, 0, so that you get a shape correct like this. So here we are going to pull the logo front a bit so that it won't get scratched again. Yes, I think this is okay. Yes, can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah, so the same thing as this. Let me close this like this. Let me put it to 0, 0. Yeah, so we are done with the logo. Left with the other one. So that one too, let's do it this way. Let me hide all this. Then we create another circle because the other one is circle, so we are going to create a circle like this. Let's put it in the center. Okay, we have our circle. Let's look for this thing. Let's bring it here. Scale it down. Yeah, so this is what we are creating. This is what we are creating. We are creating this. The carefully selected ingredients, this one. Yes. So we have it. So let's change the color to this. Let's change the color to this one. Yes. So you see we have this. Yes. So let's bring this one here. And then let's do it 3D. I mean, you didn't forget this thing. 3D. Yes. Checkbox like this. Yes. So let's scale it to fix or to fit the circle. Open. Oh shit, it's too much. Yes, you get it. This align. So you are going to put this one in the middle so that we won't get any this one. So let me up this first. Yes, that means this one is in the middle like this. And then let's check this one. I'm just trying to place in the middle so you can. Let's create our null object here. Right click, then you create your null object. You're going to pair this one too. Let's pair the shape first. You hold it from here, you pair it. Circle, you hold it from here, you pair it. So when we rotate this one, you see, but because let's do this one first. Let's turn this one to 3D first. Let's extrude it. Yes, I forgot to extrude it earlier. So that's the shape layer. We came to geometric option, then extrude. You see, we are getting the 3D. Let me extrude it a little bit. Extrude. You see, you are getting it. Extrude. Did you see that? Okay, yes. So you see, we are still having that problem of the this one, our text or our graphics hiding inside the shape. So let's come back to our two views. It's here like this. Let's set this one to 0, 0 so that you can get it correctly. Don't get confused. So let's push our graphics front a bit. It's too much. So you can see a gap. So let's close it. You see the reason why when you are working with the views like this is very important. Yes. So I am done. Let me bring it back to one view. Yes, so let's rotate it. Oh shit, let's rotate it from this angle. So you see we have our 3D. Can you see that? We have our 3D. Yes, can you see that? Right now we have this one too. Nice one, correct. So we are now coming to animate it. So you see when you come here, so this is it. When you come to our main composition, yes, our main composition with the distributor here, then we bring our 3D. You see the 3D rotate is here. It's in our project because that's where we create the composition. Then we drag it down. Let's bring it here. Our 3D our 3D shape is here. Yes. So let's go back here and do the animation here. We are coming to do the animation here. So we are starting with the logo first. The logo first, which is this one. We are starting with this one. Yes. So this is not in the middle. Let me put it in the middle. Like this. Okay. Let me check how. Okay. I think this is okay. This is okay. So let's do our rotation and so let's press P first to then let's come back to here to our views again, and then here we are coming to push this thing. We are coming to push our logo backwards like this. So when you are pushing, then you are checking this place. Push it. We are pushing it, see, we are pushing it to match with the one on the product. We are pushing it backwards so that it looks like it comes from the product. Okay, so I think that this is okay. We will get something like this. Yes, so let me play it for us to see. Let me use the graph. You see why the graph editor is very important. Yes, so you need to learn that one too. So our label or our logo will come and slow at the end. Let me see. Let me bring this one here. Yes. So let's work on the rotation. R is rotation. And then we are going to work on the X. We are going to work on the Y value. So you click. Then we rotate. Let's rotate it 360. So it will come at the end like this now again. That's 360. Remember when you say a lady should give you 360. Someone should give you 360. Yes, we have 360 here too. So you see? Yes, you see that? Yes, you see that? So it's a bit faster. You see that? Yes, so let's apply our easy ease. F9. Let's come to graph editor. Let's do it like this. I like doing this one. Yes. Depending on the work I'm doing. So let's see. Yes. See, fast and slow at the end. You get fast and slow at the end. So let's see what we got. You see that? Yes. Don't worry, we'll work on this. So right now, let's scale this thing to fix with the one on the label, like how I was saying. You see how I'm doing it? Like this. Yes, you see, I'm trying to fix it to match with the one on the label. Yes. Yes, so right now I have it. Control S, don't forget saving your work, okay? Your machine can just crash at any time. Did you get that? Yes, so this one, yes. It has to come around this place. So let me move it a bit forward. It has to come like this place. From here. Yes. You get that? Yeah, so can you see we are getting something nice here? Yeah, so I'm trying to adjust it well. I think the logo is not that close to the product, so I'm trying to push it back for it to get close to the product to look like the logo. You know the logo, the one we turn to 3D or the 3D logo is not the one on the product too. We created that one to make it look like the logo comes from the product. Yes. So just watch what I'm doing. Look and do. Look and do. If you are now watching, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave your thoughts about this tutorial in the comment section. Let me know if this was helpful or you are confused or you don't understand, so that I'll know how to better myself before doing the next tutorial. Yes. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to adjust it. Yes, I'm just trying to adjust it to make it correct. Yeah, so if your own is okay, if you are following and you think your own is okay, it's okay. Yes, so me, I'm just trying to adjust it. I'm just trying to make it work how I want. Yeah. So what we did to the logo, we are doing the same thing to this one. How we scale the logo in, how the logo rotates. Yes, we are doing the same thing to this one. You see, I'm scaling in. It's too slow, so I'll close the gap between the keyframes. Okay, let's use our F9. Yes, and then do our graph editor. Okay, so let's apply the rotation. You see how I'm going to rotate it? Then 360. Yeah, 360. So it has rotated. Yeah, so can you see? Yes. Do you see that? The keyframing is very simple. Just understand how I'm doing the keyframe, and it's very simple. Did you see the rotation? So I'm trying to adjust the rotation keyframe too, so that for it to fix or to match with the scaling. You see, I'm using the graph editor again. Yes. I will personally do a full tutorial about the graph editor, because I know you guys will be a bit confused about it. I think it's not that okay. So what I'm doing right now is not something you have to be following right now, because I'm just trying to adjust it. Okay, your own might be okay, your own might be nice, your own might be how you want it. Yes, that's why I say just understand the process, just understand how I'm doing the keyframing. You get? I'm just trying to adjust it. It's not like maybe because I shift the keyframe, you have to shift your keyframe. Because I undo it, you have to also undo it. No. If so, we are almost done. We are done. Yes, we are done with this one. So did you see that? Yes. You see? Okay. Yeah. Did you see? So if this one like this, you can use it in many of motion graphics. I'm not saying the logo, this same logo, but how we animated the logo. And I hope you also learn how to do a 3D, something like this, a 3D. So you see how the green one, I mean the circle, how it comes. Maybe you want to do some animation of coin. Yes, the same process.